welcome back guys to another video. So today I'm here with Klaiyi here. Okay, so just list their website and their brand name. Also has their social media on the box. So first thing I'm seeing is this drawstring bag, which is also branded. Then I got this goodie bag. Before I get to the hair, let's see what we're working with in this goodie bag today. So I got a pair of HD wig caps in here. I also got this patterned elastic band. I got a pair of lashes. And lastly, I got one of these brush. Okay, very cool little goodie bag. Alright, then, oh, we have two more goodies. I got these clips. Love getting these because whenever I'm curling my hair, these come in very handy. And then I got a branded Klaiyi hair elastic band, which is great for melting your lace front. Okay, so we got this gorgeous, like, brown, reddish brown kind of vibe going on with today's wig. It's a curly wig. It's super full. But guess what? This is their 7x5 Wear&Go lace closure wig. It has a breathable cap. This area here is kind of like non-slip, so it really helps with the security of the wig. They added elastic band on the inside, which is adjustable. Now, what I need you guys to know is that this is their upgraded bye-bye knots lace closure 7x5 Wear&Go wig. The reason why they call it bye-bye knots is because they did pre-bleach this and the knots are really tiny. Everything is done very clean. It's immaculately done. Okay, so that's one of the biggest things for this wig. It's even like pre-plucked. It came with the baby, the swoops already done. You know, everything looks really nicely professionally done, and I really appreciate that. It is a medium cap, by the way. It's a slip on and go. It's already customized for you. You don't have to go in and do a bunch of work, so you don't need to go to the salon to install this. You could very much be a beginner. Like Klaiyi here made it very easy and, you know, just convenient for you to work with this kind of wig. You know, it's these curls are so nice and defined, and it's in its dry state. Of course, it looks good, it feels good, it's very soft, so I am very pleased. Look at how that is snugged. Like, the only thing I need to definitely fix is the swoops, and that's fine. That's fine. I definitely need to make it shorter, and I like when it's like further apart, you know. But like, it looks good and it feels very secure on the head. Like, let me show you how secure it is. Not going anywhere. So if you were kind of like reluctant as to getting like a glueless wig because you're afraid that the wig will blow it off, you know, when you shake your head it's gonna fall off, no. Like, look, absolutely no product, so you don't have to be afraid of that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and work on these swoops. You see how easy that was? Like, I repositioned the swoops and that was it. I just tapped out the little cast you were seeing on the lace with some powder. Nothing you have never seen before. And it looks so good, so realistic. I even made the parting a little bit more precise. And it's satin. This is it in its dry state. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is show you guys with it wet. Because I know, you know, you have some curly hair. At some point in time when you're wearing it, you're going to want to get it wet, you know. And I feel like these textures are always perfect if you're going on vacation and stuff like that. So like, why not? So that's what I'm going to go ahead and jump into doing. I'm just going to apply water though. Nothing but water. I'm really loving it in its dry state. I'd really just leave it in its dry state. But I also want to show you guys how it looks when it's wet. So that's the reason why I'm going to go ahead and do that. I must let you know that I am getting a little shedding. So be mindful of that. I am getting a little shedding. It's always recommended that, you know, when you have these textures, try to maintain them in the sense of detangling them every single time you have them on. That way you don't have to deal with too much shedding and stuff over time. But yeah. Guys, that is it. This is the hair wet. Looks pretty good still, right? I mean, I feel like if you put like conditioner in there or product in there, if you want more of a, you know, wet look, you could definitely get that, you know. But this is like a very true curly texture and I love it. It's very voluminous and very, very full. So Klaiyi here, they did their thing. They very much did their thing. The lace looks amazing, very undetectable. The knots, the bye-bye knots, yeah, it's doing what it's supposed to do. They definitely upgraded this really nicely. I can't complain. The only thing, as I said, there is shedding, so note that. I will be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. So please go ahead, check that out if you're interested in getting it for yourself. As well as all the specifications will be listed. So please check that out. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's wig look, checking it out and all that good stuff. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, share, like, comment, drop your, you know, positive thoughts down below and just suggestions and probably which other hair look you'd like to see me do, other wig you'd like to see me try. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. That is it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.